Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share to you linear search. Let's first define linear search. In computer science, a linear search or sequential search is a method for finding an element within the list. It sequentially checks each element of the list until a match is found or the whole list has been searched. Okay? So what we're going to do here is that we're going to ask the user to enter n, which is a number, let's say 5, and then let's say 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Upon entering the 5 numbers, we will ask the user again to enter number to search. So let's say we have here number 3. Then it will display the number 3 is present at position 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, so we could do an item that separates the line here, but that's the concept. If it's not found, if the number is not on the list, then we could say if the number not found, if the number not on the list, okay, then number not found. Okay, so this is our objective for this program. Let's write our code. Okay, first thing is I need to declare several variables here. Now to do that, int I, I'll be using this for our loop. Then I'm going to have n, which will be used to enter a number, and then I'll be using here x for our search later. So n to enter a number, while x is for our search. After that, we need to declare our array, and then let's give it a size of 100. So this is our array. Now, let's prompt the user. Cout, enter n, cin n. Okay. Next, cout, enter n numbers. Okay. Let's have some carriage return here. Same goes this line. Now, so let's now have our input. To do that, let's start with a for loop. For I is equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. Next is we're going to have our cin function, cin our array, and then I. Okay, so we're able to have our loop here. Next, so upon entering the numbers, our next item is we need to ask the user to search for the values. Okay, let's start with informing them or prompting them. Enter number to search. Okay. Then we will be using here the variable x, cin x. Okay. Now, in a linear search, what we're going to do is we're going to scan the values that we have inputted here or stored in our array. Now, we need to create another loop for I is equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. Okay. Then we need to do a condition statement. If our array is equals to x, meaning that we are scanning the values of our array here. Take note that in this section, we have already stored all the values. Okay, this is where we store the values. A 0, assuming that we have 5, 1, a 1 is equals to 2, a sorry, this is A1, this is A2, and A3. Let's say we have entered 4 numbers, okay, 2 and then 2, okay. So what we need to do here is that we need to check our array and compare it with the number that we're looking for. So that's the purpose of this line here. It's looking at each of the element here and determining if it matches our search variable here. Now, if the number has been found, we need to inform the user cout, okay? We need to print here that the, okay, that the number which we're looking for, let's say x, right, is located at position, okay, I plus 1. Then let's have an end line here. Now, what is I plus 1? Now, since our array or our loop here starts with 0, our counting will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we don't want that. Now, we need to change the values. Let's say our input here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? So we are searching for the number, and then we found it already. Now, the position, so these are your input, okay? These are your inputs. And the position, this is your input. And then the position here is, by default, is 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, right? Now, we don't want to display, let's say, we're looking for this value, and we will display the number 4 is located at position 3, which is technically correct in array terms, but incorrect in regular terms. So what we need to do is to add 1 to our value to make this one located at position 4. Okay, so that's the purpose of this add 1 here. Okay. Now, after that, after we have found the item, the next thing to do is for us to determine what if the number is not found. Now, we cannot place here an else statement. We cannot have this because it would continuously evaluate the number. Okay, so what we need to do here is I'll be adding another variable, integer, let's say marker. Okay, int equals to 0. So marker here, it's sort of a flag that will trigger if a condition is met. Okay, so by default, if a condition or action is met. Okay, now what we need to do here is, okay, now if it's not met, okay, so we will trigger if the condition is met here. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be having here a marker is equals to 1 if items, or let's call it items, are, or if number is found. Okay, now in this section, what if the number is not found? I'll have here if marker is exactly equal to 0, then meaning that the search is unsuccessful. Okay, I could say cout the number x is not found. Okay. Okay, let's test our code. Let's run. Okay. Oh, there's an error. Where is that? Int main. Forgot to include something here. Let's check our code. There. Okay. Let's put. To be safe, let's put the curly brace here. Okay, let's try and check our codes. There. So first thing is we're going to ask the user to enter n. So let's say 5. Okay. Then this is our prompt. Then we will be entering here our 5 numbers. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Next thing is, if we press enter now, it will prompt us to enter number to search. Now, let's make it 3. Okay, enter. There. So the number 3 is located at position 3. This is position 3, 4, 5. Numbers 3 is located at position 4. The numbers 3 is located at position 5. Okay. Now, if you notice here, upon searching the number, we have changed the status of our marker from 0 to 1. Okay, meaning that the number is found. But if we try another input, okay, let's try another input here. Enter N5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we press enter 6. Enter. The number 6 is not found, okay, because there is no number 6 in our list. So we were not able to, this statement here is all false. Now the next item is this one. So since by default we set the marker to 0, this will be triggered. If marker is exactly equal to 0, then it will display the number x is not found. Okay? So here's another implementation of array using in C++. We call this as linear search. Okay? So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!